Top 5 Healing Benefits of Rosemary. Welcome back, herb enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a fragrant journey through the world of rosemary, uncovering its enchanting healing properties that extend far beyond the kitchen. Join us as we delve into the top 5 reasons why rosemary is not just a culinary star, but a holistic health gem. Rosemary takes the lead with its remarkable anti-inflammatory power. Bursting with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like rosmarinic acid, this herb works wonders in quelling inflammation within the body. From arthritis discomfort to soothing sore muscles, incorporating rosemary into your diet or opting for rosemary-infused oils can be a natural way to alleviate inflammation and promote overall well-being. Moving on to the brain-boosting prowess of rosemary. Studies suggest that the scent of rosemary may have memory-enhancing effects. The aroma has been linked to improved cognitive function and increased alertness. Whether it's a sprig in your workspace or a drop of rosemary essential oil on your wrist, unlocking the potential of this herb could be the secret to staying sharp and focused. Rosemary isn't just a flavorful herb, it's also a powerful ally for your immune system. Brimming with essential vitamins and minerals, rosemary helps fortify your body's defenses. Incorporating it into your meals or enjoying a cup of rosemary tea can provide a tasty and effective way to give your immune system the boost it needs, especially during challenging seasons. Let's explore rosemary's stress-relieving properties. The compounds in rosemary, such as ursolic acid, may contribute to reducing stress and anxiety levels. Engaging in aromatherapy with rosemary essential oil or adding it to your relaxation rituals can create a calming atmosphere, helping you unwind and find serenity in the midst of life's demands. Our final spotlight is on rosemary's impressive antimicrobial qualities. Research indicates that rosemary exhibits antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a natural defender against harmful microorganisms. By incorporating rosemary into your daily routine, you not only add flavor to your dishes, but also contribute to maintaining a healthy microbial balance within your body. There you have it, the multifaceted healing properties of rosemary. Whether you're savoring it in your favorite dishes or embracing its aromatic essence for overall well-being, rosemary proves to be a versatile and potent herb. Share with us how you enjoy rosemary in your life in the comments below. And if you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more herb-inspired content. Until next time, embrace the healing wonders of nature and stay well.